Hello students, let us start with the next exercise of chapter 9, exercise 9.2. First question is factorize using identities. See, till now what we were doing, we were using the formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and similarly for minus. This was given and in this form we had to find it, right? Now see the question, we can see it is in this form, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this form it is given, you have to convert it into this form, means the vice versa of the formula that we had used in exercise 9.1. The formula is the same, just in previous exercise this part was given and this form you had to find it out, and in this next exercise, that is exercise 9.2, the expanded form of the formula is given and you need to find out which formula is that. Okay, so now coming on to the question. First question is 4x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. So see, when I am seeing this 4x square, this 4 is the square of 2, right? Then this 20 and this, I am leaving this 20 now. This 4 is the square of 2, so I can write it as 2x whole square. 25, everyone knows it is the square of 5, so we can write it as 5y whole square. Now this is a square plus 2ab, we are leaving it now, plus b square. So from this what can we come to know, that a is 2x, value of a for this question is 2x, and value of b is 5y, right? Because in the formula first and last term is a square plus a square and last term is b square. So now, and the middle term is 2ab, means 2 into a into b. So can I write 20 as 2 into a, that is 2x, into b, that is 5y. And when I am calculating 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, so 20x and y, right? So means when I am solving this, this is coming and this is in the form of 2a into b. Understood how I have written the middle term? First I have calculated the a, 2x whole square, then I have calculated b, 5y whole square, right? After this what I have done, after calculating what I have done, it is 2 into 2x, right? 2 into a into b, right? A is 2x, b is 5y, 2ab. Now when I am solving this, I will check it also that I am getting the middle term of the expression or not. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, and x and y, so 20 x and y, right? Means yes, this solution is correct. Now again you will write it here, value of a or value of x is 2x and value of b or value of y is 5y. So how can I write it as 2x plus a plus b whole square, which is 2x plus 5y whole square, right? 2x plus 5y whole square, and I can write it as 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 5y also, right? So this is the correct solution of this. Now moving on to the next question. Now the second question, 25a square plus 70ab plus 49b square. Now see, this 25, I can say it is 5 square, right? 25 is 5 square, and this a is also given in square, so we can write 25a square as 5a whole square, right? And now 70, we'll again leave this 70 for now, and we'll come down to b, which is 49b square. Now see, 49 is the square of 7, b square, I can write 49b square as 7b whole square, right? So this is 5a whole square plus 2 into a is 5a, b is 7b, and when I'm multiplying this I'm getting 70ab, which means this is 2ab plus this 49 means 7b whole square, right? Now this, what is this equal to? This is now in the form of x square minus 2xy plus y square, and which is equal to x plus y whole square. X is 5a and b is 7, sorry, y is 7b. So the answer is 5a plus 7b whole square, right? 5a plus 7b, 5a plus 7b. This is the answer. The third question, again same type. 9 I can write it as 3 square. So this is 3x square plus 6, 2 into 3, plus this 1 I can write it as 1 square because 1 square is always 1. Now again it has been converted to x square plus 2xy plus y square, where see in every question you are going to write what is x, 3x, and what is y, 1. Okay, so the solution will be x plus y whole square, which means 3x plus 1 whole square. Whole square means, see, suppose it is 2 squares, so I write 2 into 2. Similarly, it is 3x plus 1 whole square, so I have written 3x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. Okay, so like this. Now fourth question, see this one I will write it as 1 square. Okay, and this I'll leave now, and 81a square means 9a whole square. Okay, 9a whole square. So what will it be? Again it has been converted in the form x square plus 2xy plus y square, right? X plus y whole square. Now 1 will, with what will it equal to? Y x plus y whole square. X is 1, y and y is 9a, so 1 plus 9a whole square, or 9a plus 1 whole square, right? 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 are same. So similarly I have written this. Till here also if you are writing the answer, it is correct. Now the fifth part, see in this it is a little different, since here it is given fraction. Okay, p square plus p plus 1 by 4. Now p square, it is already in the form of x square, plus I will leave this now, and 1 by 4 I can write it as 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so x is p and y is 1 by 2, and here it is 2 into x is p into y is 1 by 2. When I am solving this, 2 will get cancelled. Answer is coming p, which is this, which means yes, this has been converted in the form x square plus 2xy plus y square. So now the formula, it will be equal to x plus y whole square means p plus 1 by 2 whole square, p plus 1 by 2 and p plus 1 by 2. Okay, so like this. Now moving on to the next question. Coming to the second question, use identity to factorize. Now till now we had done the formula for last sixth question, also solution I have attached. You can go through because all the questions are similar till now what we had done. Now coming on to the second question, here I can see till now what we had done, x square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now here it is x square minus 2ab plus b square. So what will it be equal to? This is the formula for x minus y whole square, right? So a square minus 10ab, right? A square minus 10ab plus 25b square. See, a square, it is in square only. This 25b square, I can write it 25 as 5 square, and b, so I can write 5b whole square, right? So a square, and here it is 5b. Value of x is a and value of b is 5b. Value of y is 5b, right? So the center term will be 2ab, means 2 into a into 5b, right? So formula, this is the formula for a minus b or x minus y. So a and value of b is 5b. So a minus 5b, a minus 5b or a minus 5b whole square. This question is also similar. 16 is the square of 4. 169 is the square of 13. Right? So first we'll convert it in the formula form and then we'll write it as x minus y whole square. X here is 4x and y is 13. Next, 121x square minus 88xy plus 16y square, right? 121 is the square of 11, 16 is the square of 4. X we got as 11x and y we got as 4y. And now we have to solve. Right? Now, this is in the form. Third question, use identities to factorize. Right? First it is, see, 25a square minus 49b square. 29a square, sorry, it is 25a square minus 49b square. Okay, see, now third, this is related to the third formula that we have studied. See, 25 I can write it as 5a whole square minus 7b whole square. 49 is the square of 7. Now, is this in the form of a square minus b square? Right? The formula was a plus b, a minus b. So, value of a here is, see how much? 5a. Right? And value of b here is how much? 7b. Right? Now, so formula will be 5a plus 7b and 5a minus 7b. So this is the solution. Understood? Like this only, step by step you are going to write it. Now coming on to the next question, it is 64a square minus 1. Right? So 64a square, 64 can I write it as 8 square, right? And minus 1. So 8a square minus 1 square, again it has been converted into x square minus y square, which is x plus y, x minus y, right? See, if I am saying a plus b or a minus b and I am saying x plus y, x minus y, the method is same, right? The formula is same, only terms I am using different, with whose value you have to put down. Now, this first question I have already explained. Rest, see here, 9x square minus 121y square. The question is 9 a square minus 121 b square, right? Is it? It is y square. This is x square and this is y square. So 9 I can write it as 3x whole square minus 121 I can write it as 11y whole square, right? Now it has been converted into the form a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. A is 3x, b is how much? 11y. So 3x minus 11y and 3x plus 11y. This is the solution. Okay. So like this, step by step you are going to solve. Rest. This question will be your homework. See, this 16 will be 4 square and 1 square. This is the last question we'll be solving. 16 by 5 m square minus see, all the questions are of same type, right? Whatever questions we are dealing now, all are of same types, only the values are different. So 1 or 2 questions you will solve and rest you will practice it on your own. And if you are not able to solve, you will refer the video. 16 by 25 m square, 4 by 9 n square. 16 by 25 m square, 4 by 9 n square. See now, 16 I can write it as 4 square and 25 as 5 square, and m I'll write it as whole square because m was also in square. Similarly, 4 is square, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and n. Now again this has been converted to a square minus b square, right? So what can we do? This will be 4 by 5 or x square minus y square. So this will be 4 by 5 m minus 2 by 3 n and 4 by 5 m plus 2 by 3 n. Okay. So is this has been converted into the formula? Here you are going to write the formula. In every question I have not written, right? But one question I have told the steps that has to be followed in every question. Here you will write x square minus y square equals to x plus y, x minus y, right? So this is the answer. Last question you will do it on your own, and thus we finish this exercise now.